In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a super agent in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you begin, since that's where your super agent will be created and activated. Next, open the AI area. From the global navigation, hover over AI, then click Create Agent. If you don't see the AI option right away, click More and select AI from there. This opens the builder you'll use to set everything up. Once the super agent builder appears, type a clear description of the agent you want to create. Be as specific as possible about its purpose, because this helps ClickUp understand what you want the agent to do. For example, you might describe an agent that reviews your tasks and gives you a daily summary of what needs to be completed. After that, ClickUp Brain will ask a series of questions about your super agent. Go through these carefully and answer them based on how you want the agent to behave. This part helps shape the agent's role, so it's worth being thoughtful and clear with your responses. When the builder finishes, your super agent profile will appear. Take a moment to review everything that has been generated, including the agent's name, description, avatar, instructions, triggers, skills, knowledge, and memory. This review step is important because it gives you a chance to confirm that the setup matches your goals. Now set the agent's name. Choose a name that clearly reflects what the agent does, so it's easy to recognize later. Then open the instructions section and enter the instructions that tell your super agent what to do. This part is required, so make sure the guidance is direct and easy for the agent to follow. Next, open the trigger section and choose how you want the super agent to be activated. You can trigger it manually, assign tasks to the agent, or set it to run on a schedule, depending on your workflow. After that, go to the skills section, click Add Tools, and select the tools you want your super agent to use. Once you've chosen them, click Save. Then open the knowledge section and select the ClickUp information or connected data sources the super agent should use. When you're done, click Save here as well. Before moving on, review the full super agent profile one more time. When everything looks correct, activate the super agent in your workspace. Once it's active, open the super agent and give it a task. You can interact with it through a direct message, mention it in tasks or chat, or assign tasks to it, depending on the triggers you configured. Thanks for watching.